Now, of course, the weather does matter when it comes to applying sealants outside. Now, this question is asked frequently by DIY users and professionals alike, with the majority of people wanting to know either the lowest acceptable temperature or if there's a product that can be used in damp or wet conditions. So I'll try to address these particular questions. Choosing the correct product for an external application should be the first priority, but obviously another consideration to assess is the surface and the weather conditions which you'll be applying the products in. If the outside temperature is between +5 to 40 Celsius, then the most low modulus silicons, polymers, hybrid polymers will be perfectly fine to use. That's providing that the surface is completely dry. Now, if it's below 5 Celsius, the ground frost is usually the biggest issue, as well as curing systems struggling. If one or both of the substrates is wet or even damp, and manual drying the surface isn't possible, then careful attention and caution should be used. Silicone should be completely avoided, as this material won't cure effectively and is likely to fail in adhesion. If the surfaces are wet, then application is still possible using a polymer sealant, such as 3C's polymer, or a hybrid polymer based sealant, such as 3C multi-use. But even then, some of the manual drying should be done to a satisfactory level, so the area is damp as opposed to being wet. But please note, these type of products are quite forgiving, but doing a small test area prior to the full use is always advisable, just to assess the adhesion. Now, I hope that's answered your question, but if you've got any more questions, leave them in the comments below.